Halen Nongtdu from Byndihati in East Jaintia Hills has been selected to play in the Indian under-16 national team that would be playing in the final round of the AFC or Asian Football Confederation Under-16 Asia Cup to be held in 2021. While speaking to newsmen, the president of the Meghalaya Football Association, Mr. Larsing Mingsawian, said that there would be only 16 teams from Asia taking part in this prestigious tournament next year. He also informed that the top 14 teams of the AFC would then be playing in the forthcoming World Cup. While informing that there are 2 players who had been selected to play in the national team, he encouraged them to do their best in order to bring laurels to the state of Meghalaya.
Ni adap daga jingsau comment daga jingsau saram ba ini samla Halen Nongtdu la sha select daga Indian under-16 national team kaban yashim benta haka AFC under-16 AFC under-16 Asia Cup hau news nam bandawan but kani kadai haka final round kindan tang kumba 100 team kibaya ki top 16 teams yang ka Asia kibaya shin benta ha ka tournament ka balam prestigious but kumbang itep hi ka AFC ki top 4 teams yang ka AFC ki poi yele ha World Cup tingi na kalian yang ka MFA ni so sarang kolat boleh ba Halen Nongtdu abang kong de player ba tebet ba ilakai shabat ilakai hapo pune na ka DSK Academy but ula keo haka jigila ka ju hadu ban yo select haka ni Indian national team but kumala ada all minister mena sultan ban I ba ki hamat ka phat ju ru budan garaniang ba aila di ban ila ka haka international level khamta ka position budan central defense but nagawa sawai ru boy sultan gade ba udan sawai khna ju samla ju khasi u embok lang nongkhlam bode na po moren keneng sorka uba asha select lang madu Halen tuta khna apa la dan lupa sha po Bangalore ba men kini wa sha man ki ma ila join chathi te sutrat plat ba ha kini ka korn ta ya dan amut khna samla jungi nangni po jala jungi ki ba sha select ali ka Indian national team but ni ai ke ba ke reng yaki ba ke nang yakio ila nang ya kai bha ba ke monra ya ka rom ya ka jala hi ba
Meghalaya Sports Minister Byndihati Lingdo also wished the players the very best in their endeavour to win the tournament and also stated that the government would be doing all it can to help and encourage football players from the state in their participation in national as well as international events.
I will say you tan ko bidan mo nakalan juga personal sports minister squad ban encourage na le ban I will say you mo yang laban dile kai khamba khamtam na le gunga dak i bangi squad ban idan mentalang kai khamtam de ge chingkeman bar ke de ge buram mi state bar khamtam ni Helen mo ba yo ban mikman na po ka ri na team Indian team under 16 de ge buram mi state ke jongi begini yo mai na po ka jela jongi mikman kum ka dak na kaleng jongai personally susno onchu I men same kumala I men same lang itu kena kibla le ban represent ya ka Indian team which kuman play gitu kai kena ke bobon ke under 12 kila bol di balik syakmat tengah syukur along kadak harun ya ihi regai ke kongsan pa nakaleng ke government ba nakaleng ke department bahkan bagile pada bangin aji yang apiki tadi kemarin nanti bayar unre ginong klat ke amar polio bagan mau par koi par kunga shibenta manang yo pan I sim shushu yaki coach sama jumi kibat tibet kamta makani ka kam milen ka football kasab ka phom ka baki peni ni shisha ba ka football po ka ri ka jong par koi kadi shisha ka taga jila kai ka bala pa ba kamtam ni samla mo jumi kelan idesha koi klori la kai but kum ka juk mentai gitu ka height ru dari ka height ke ba ni ako madan habibi ako Shillong mo mungkin ka height mo ila kai ri tang layo but say kini ngete ba mdai taman ila kai na po Indian team ka ba kongsan dengan itu ipi bangi I mean same ni balong ba ini inyo ila kai na international ban poison international ki team ki bahe begini i sa ko tekani ka degi ke paga opportunity baka ke ba ni ko na ni se ko pi dang ila kai ba tare shitam manung klep ya imei ba kamtam manung klep ban bu jinwai play la bla ra ipi ka ni ko ram inyo ila kai ina kali ng jonga so tang ko mi dak ishin ma so
Also present at the function is Cabinet Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Kermen Shilla.
Kemana pun orang bah ni lian juga government ni so kemen bah ini isamla Halen Nongtdu ila cha select ban contest ban de perform na buta juga region ni ni so kemen ku local level e na time juga kamtam bol ni ngai ba ki samla jungi ki ba siotna bhag ji le kai football bol singa sha trend ni kitte ba ha constituency jonga especially East India Hills, but Meghalaya as a whole.
It may also be mentioned that Halen Nongtdu had recently been selected as Youth Ambassador to the AFC Aurora e-Goal program South Asian Zone.